Hello guys, I hope you are okay. So actually, yesterday I came my auntie home for a long time. I did not came here, but yesterday I came here and I meet with her and my cousin sisters and my uncle. So after meeting with them, I feel very good because when we meet with some our relative guys, so we feel very good and very happiness. So yesterday night we enjoyed a lot with her and cousin sisters and uncle, and we took food together with her and my uncle. So now morning time, whenever I got up today, morning time was very heavy, cold. So today I am also feeling little bit problem means my problem, but I have to be strong. When I will not be strong, so how can I? Be brave. So I should be brave, and I should to think about myself positively. But daily basis morning time I went for my morning walk and I completed. And last night I also weighed my weight, so I got so it was 68 kg. So I hope actually my weight is 65, but really it is 68, only 2 kg lose. So I have to more careful about food, and I have to do more exercise, and I have to be free mentality. So it is so about, and now my task to make a video for daily basis, but today I did not think about a good topic, and also I did not have my stand for making video, but I have a intention to make a video regularly and without any gap or any inconsistency, because anyhow any cost I want to be punctual and continue. So that's the reason I caught my mobile by my hand, and after that I am making video without any topic, just my motto to practice. So this is well. So let's say start a new topic means today I will share with you one a short story. So few days ago I got a news regarding this location. So there is a forest area. So there one young boy was found, and he was died, but people don't know who killed him and who brought him this forest area. So this body was very means swollen, and arm was creeping on his body. Minimum means 1 week ago somebody killed him, and after that he was brought this place, and due to unseen of people, he was in same situation. But somehow people so somehow people saw him, and people gave the information to police officer, and after that the police officer came and they also rescued this body. So I listened that, but yesterday when I was coming, so that time I saw, that time I asked auto driver when he described me, I belong from Alamgans. So that time I asked, "Okay, what about this man? What is the information this man?" So he told actually this man was from this same area. So he was killed by her wife. So he told his wife killed this man and with her relative, and after that she brought her this area and kept. So as how she want to hide himself, but finally she was arrested by police officer and she sent to the police prison. So now you can think for wife we also fight with everyone. Sometime we also leave our relatives. Sometime we leave our parents for the only wife. But see how a wife killed a man, and she also deceived himself, and finally she also killed her. So as how she killed, and she has also two child, but now see child life also very bad condition, her life also bad condition, and she already killed her husband also. So before doing some bad decision, we should think again and again. When we will think again and again, so we will have an idea how we can secure them, how we can risk them. So this is well